Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add friends nickname on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Did you know that you can change your friend's name on Discord so you can add nickname for them? It's very simple. How to do it? So first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. To add friends nickname on Discord, you must be friends with them first. So you can add their Discord. After that, if you want to change their name, you can go to friends. You can go to all. You can choose on your friends that you want to add the nickname. For example, we change nickname for Evelyn. You can click right or tap and hold on their name. There is an option add friend nickname. You can select on that. Now you can just write down in here for their nickname. And don't forget to select on save. Now you see you have changed your friend's name with nickname that you give to them. It's very simple, right? You can just do like this. Click right, add nickname, and like this. Don't forget to save. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add friend nickname on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.